I got home from work today and I got a text from Kate saying that we have a cat now. So I guess we're about to go inside and adopt a cat. Woo. Zelda, here we come. What the heck? Everyone, meet Zelda. Zelda, what's happening? Alright YouTube, shit is going down right now, okay? So we got a little life update, some big news. So remember that New Year's resolution video I made? Probably not, there wasn't many views on it. I didn't promote it, oh well. Well, two of the goals in my video were to move in with Kate and to get a new job. Well guys, I just got both at the same time. At the same damn time, at the same damn time. So yeah, I got this job and it's also in the location that I needed to move. So, me and Kate are moving in next week, guys. Crazy. Zelda's coming with us too. Yeah, the craziest part is I got the job before I even got, like, the apartment. So, like, I had to get the apartment in, like, a week. So, yeah, that was fun. But, yeah, just like that, completed 2 of the New Year's goals already. Challenge you guys to do it. I'm telling you, it helps. It works, dude. It works. So, yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading. I've been dealing with a new job and getting an apartment. So, yeah, literally just all that happened at once. So yeah, while I'm editing this cat video, I'm just gonna toss this little life update in there, you know? So yeah, hopefully I get some footage of us moving in. A little move-in day vlog, okay. So yeah, that'll be the next video, me and Kate moving in. crazy stuff, man. So yeah, little life update for you guys. Thanks for following along this journey. It's gonna be crazy. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Stay tuned, there's a lot of stuff coming. Yeah, now that I have my own place, more content coming, baby. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Love you. Peace.
That's okay.
Alright.